The ROG NUC 2025 gaming pack's the most powerful compact gaming PC I've ever laid eyes on into a tiny package that's less than a shoebox. Are you tired of slow, laggy games that cut your fun short? Well, this little beauty changes everything. Imagine a world where you can play the latest games at max settings without breaking a sweat, all from a machine that fits neatly under your monitor or on your desk. That's what the ROG NUC 2025 gaming delivers. Let's dive in and explore its incredible specs. First up, we have the brain of this operation. An Intel Core Ultra processor, Series 2. This means you get AI-driven performance that's future-ready. Think lightning-fast processing speeds and unparalleled efficiency. But what does that really mean for you? It means you can play the latest games with stunning visuals, silky smooth frame rates, and a response time so quick it'll feel like magic. And we're not talking about just any graphics card. We're talking about an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 50 series mobile GPU with DLSS technology. DLSS stands for Deep Learning Supersampling, which basically means it uses AI to upscale your game's visuals on the fly. This results in breathtakingly realistic graphics that'll make you feel like you're inside the game itself. And with up to 200+ platform tops, think of this as a measure of raw processing power. You can expect unbeatable performance from this tiny powerhouse. But how does it keep all that heat under wraps? Enter QuietFlow Cooling, which boasts 3 fans and dual vapor chamber technology for effective cooling without any noise. So not only is the ROG NUC 2025 gaming incredibly powerful, but it's also surprisingly quiet. You can actually hear the game playing. Now let's talk upgrades. With a 3L size, thumb screws enable quick and easy access to memory and storage upgrades. This means as your gaming needs grow, this little PC will be ready to take on whatever you throw at it. Last but not least, we have the aesthetics, premium ROG design with RGB lighting that's simply stunning. Aura Sync lets you personalize your setup in a snap, with a sleek design and convenient top-mounted power button that'll make you feel like a pro gamer. So there you have it. The ROG NUC 2025 gaming is an absolute powerhouse of performance packed into one incredible package. If you want to take your gaming to the next level without breaking the bank or cluttering up your space, this is the machine for you. Trust me, once you experience it, there's no going back.